how to use instantly AI for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we can use instantly AI sales engagement and leading intelligence tool to make your business much more easier. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit instantly.ai. Then there we can see this interface. It will look like something like this. Then you have to tap on to start for free. Also, you can see a demo by clicking on this option at the top right corner, see demo. You can just simply tap onto it. Also, you can change language from English to French, also Portuguese, Spanish and Dutch, also Japanese if you wish to. Sorry, not Dutch, this one is Germany. Okay, German language. Here you can see this. So you can just change it up if you wish to. Now let's tap on the start for free. Then you have to enter your first name, your last name, your password. Then you have to sign this icon that I agree to instantly terms of use and privacy policy. Then you have to tap on to join now. So after clicking on to join now, you have to answer some basic questions. For example, like where did I find about them? I'm gonna tap onto YouTube. Then I'm gonna tap what describes my industry best. Then I'm gonna tap onto software or consulting coaching. I'm gonna answer my company size. Then you have to tap continue. You have to answer all of them according to your preference, your need, and your job. Then you can also change your email, but for now it is asking to verify my Gmail address. So I'm gonna go to my Gmail and I'm gonna verify my Gmail address right from here. So let's check it out. Maybe it is on the spam folder. Okay, this is not in the spam folder, so let's check it out. Yeah, this might be somewhere here. Let's go and change the email address to this. Let me copy my email address, then paste it over here. Then you can enter password, then join now. So I'm gonna tap again continue and verify email. Right from here I have to answer this captcha, then tap verify. So now let's reload this page. So after loading, there we go. So now you have to click here to confirm your email address. Then there we go. This is our instantly AI interface, or you can see say the dashboard. Okay, enough. Okay, so that's it. So this is the interface of our instantly AI. So from here you can tap onto these features, like you can get all features by buying the subscription of them. This is $97 per month, or if you choose the annual one, this is $77.06 per month. You can upgrade the plan if you wish to, or you can just simply tap onto maybe later. Then at the left corner you can see this super search options. Here you can just start your search with AI. You can search anything on your need, and if you want to bind your account, for example, okay, let's go to homepage first. You can tap on to add new, and from there you can tap on to continue to bind your account. So that's it. Let's tap onto one, then tap onto this. You can connect your domain from here, then you can place order if you wish to. As you can see, the total price of my domain is $65. You can place order, and then you can just go with it. So here you can see this is how you can go with it. Also, you can run for your email setup if you want to. You can upload a CSV file of yours like from here, but for now we are gonna skip this part. And on the campaign section you can create campaigns from here. You can add new, tap onto add new, then you can create your campaign, enter your campaign name right here. I'm gonna enter my campaign name to instant campaign. Okay, that is enough. Then I'm gonna tap continue. So after clicking on to continues, there we go. I think here you can see this. Tap on resume campaign. So our campaign has been started. You can activate by clicking onto the active option, or you can pause it. And by three dot option, you can share campaign or download analytics CSV. So let's create another campaign from here. Let's tap onto add leads. I'm going to go with Google Sheets. You can paste your Google Sheets from here, and then you can import your emails if you want. uh, you can check out the sequence. You can add steps. You just have to go to instantly.com, and then you have to check all of this out. You can go to all campaigns, instant campaigns, and this is the one I created right now. From here you can see this instant campaign. You can tap onto this three dot icon. You can rename it, delete it, duplicate it, download it, and many more. For now I'm gonna tap onto add new, and then gonna create instant 2.0 campaign, then tap continue. So there we go. There is no lead found right now. You can see the analytics of your campaign. You can check out the CRM of it. You can bind account if you wish to by simply tapping onto add account. Wait, let the page reload first. Let it load first. Okay. So first of all, let's go to our website visitors. You can set it up. You can enter your billing. For example, you can upgrade your instantly AI ID. Okay, you can complete the setup by clicking here. You can enter your domain to start, and you can get the first pixel. So from here you can connect an email account if you wish to. Tap onto add new, and there you go. You can continue with it. So there you go. You now tap onto search for more, and if you want you can go with this. I showed you this step earlier, so let's skip it. And lastly, on the inbox placement, this is your inbox placement. Any orders or any message you get, it will be appeared here. And from the bottom left corner you can check out your account. You can get the Unibox mobile app if you wish to. You can check out the settings here. You can see the billings and settings account. Let's see your account and settings. You can change your name, password, security code. You can change your preferences from here. You can use this AI automation features. You can tap on save and delivered emails in an inbox, I mean Unibox. And you can also use this for just check them out, and then tap on to save option, and they will be saved. And tap, you can, if you tap on instantly accelerator, you can tap start life coaching, niche and offer. You can check them out. You can just choose your niche calculator. You can tap onto next. You can check them out if, and also edit them. You can log out from here and change your account. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.